Funky looking thing. Completed it, mate. Tick, boom. Hi guys, welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. Now I have been and ahhing about selling the car we have behind me, my 2000 Honda Accord. And I am going to stick to my guns and sell it along with Project Mazda MX-3. Now, the car is actually going in for a very early MOT. It's going in for an MOT as I'm filming this tomorrow. And for that MOT, I need to change the side light bulbs. As when I drove this car home, I believe they were both working, but one was like a clear side light colour and the other bulb was blue. So what I've done is I've been to Halfords and after their advice, because I've never changed bulbs on any car before, so this is going to be a fun video and an attempt to do this ourselves. So I've now bought obviously a pack of 2 bulbs, so at least both the bulbs will now be the same colour. So these are 501W5W 3500K whiter bulbs. I just went for nice white ones, and since I've had the car, actually the white bulb has actually gone out, so I was then left with a blue bulb, and now I think both of the bulbs have actually gone completely. So I don't currently have any side light bulbs, which isn't good, and because it's going in for an MOT tomorrow, that will not pass with no side light bulbs working. So this is a close up the bulbs I've got. And yeah, I've done this before, so I'm all about giving things a go, so let's do it. Obviously we're filming this in direct sunlight, but I don't know if you can see this one, so actually the yellow one is actually working, then that one, and we've got nothing working in this side. So, but then this one, that's where the LED one is, you can see it, Martin. On further inspection, there's obviously 2 light bulbs in this cluster. This middle one, I hope you can see it, is the main beam. We've just tested it, and then this little one is the blue one. It has failed, and that is the side light. So we've got the main beam and the side light. We're going to attempt to change the side light on both sides. First things first, and let's pop the old bonnet. There we go. Jesus, that's heavy. Right, well that's one step already done. So... oh, this looks impossible. Oh, this looks tricky, guys. So this is what I'm currently looking at, and I think I need to get in here. Maybe, and if I show you the other side, access is a bit better, so maybe this thing needs to come off, I think. But how does that...
that's got to come off.
Yeah, but that washer thing's in a way. Oh, hang on, it's coming off. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a piece of... that's better. It's this one. There he is. So what do I do? Just pinch it out?
Yeah, you might have to squeeze it in to let it come off.
But I can't get my fingers in there. I don't quite know what I'm looking for this side, so let's attempt where we've got better access to do this side. This is all muddy. that was just come straight out. Oh, right, so that's that bulb out. So I do believe you shouldn't touch these with your bare hands, fingers, so I'll give you them. I can't make sure to...
you hold that end of it, it's alright.
drop it. Ah. How's it go in? He's in! Ah. Well, he's in there, but I don't know if he's exactly, You have a go at twisting that. It's hard to twist it in, lock it in. Oh yeah, it's on! Cool. Very clear. Mind you, if it just pulls out, I know it should just pull out.
Yeah, it should do. I tell you on the right
That's
one.
it, isn't it?
It's that one, is it?
Yeah.
The top one, like?
Yeah, the one that's yellow.
Yeah, he's moving.
Yeah, but I can't, this one won't pull out.
Oh.
Oh,
Yes,
there
it
he
is.
is.
Yeah, yes.
See, this one looks funny, because it's all, that's what an LED.
Oh, yeah.
Just show you. The old camera. That's the LED one there. Funky looking thing. So that's now out. It's just fiddly, that's all, but I know what I'm doing now, so. Got it. Easy done that time. So now I've got to try and this angle is so crap. I'm lost. I can't see where it's going. That's the hole of my finger, but have I there it is. Yay! Whew. I was just trying not to touch the end of that bulb.
Shall I turn it on?
Let's have a look then. Yeah, let's do it. Yay! It's hard to see in the light. Oh no, they're nice and clear. So there we have it. I've just changed that bulb there. It's now nice and white and clear. And then I've just changed this bulb there. Oh, how does he go? On the outside or inside? Oh, around that hole. Cool, I'd say that's him done. Yeah, you push him on. This is a tricky one. Oh, I don't like this. So there we have it. My first attempt at doing any kind of bulbs on the car was a success. Now, like I say, it's common kind of knowledge. I'm not a mechanical expert, as you guys know, but it is common knowledge not to touch a bulb with like your fingers, so I just made sure I didn't touch any of the end of that bulb. So now the car has two matching bulbs that are exactly the same colour, and obviously they both work. Like I say, when I started this, I only had one bulb, I had one LED and one not, but now they both work and they're both the same colour. And as this car is going in for its MOT tomorrow, the MOT is due in July, but I want to get as much money for this car as I obviously can, so I'm going to try and sell the car for 12 months MOT. And from what I can discover, bulbs work. You've seen me address the tyres in a previous video. The only advisories last time were the lights needed polishing, which the previous owner did, and the two front tyres needed placing, which I've done. So hopefully, I mean, if she passes with no advisories, and even more of a win-win. Now the car hopefully will get a nice easy pass result when I take this car in tomorrow, but obviously I will update you as and when I get these results. So thanks for watching this one. This is just, again, me attempting to do things myself and with the help of Martin behind the scenes, which he wasn't really on. Oh yeah, he did see me about actually. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed me fitting some bulbs to the car. I enjoy giving it a go. One side was harder than the other, but as Martin said when he's watched videos before, that's usually the case on any car. But yeah, we done it. We tried something new again and completed it, mate. Tick, boom. Thanks for watching. He didn't look at me, did he? Did he look at me? You're freaking weird.